automotive communication systems. And it so happened that, these communication systems are not only used in cars, but they're also used in robots, machinery, heavy equipment, and so on. Different levels of them. But however, as an automotive technician, young technicians, we find have problems dealing with communication, how systems or various systems within an automobile, which have multiple systems, whether they be the security system, the smart key and security system, right? Whether it be the light control system, whether it be the seat control system, whether it be the entertainment control system, whether it be the engine control system, whether it be the power distribution control system, whether it be the steering control system, whether it be the anti-brake locking control. These are various control systems, and the average vehicle has approximately 70 plus control networks that has their own control unit or computer ECU that actually controls how these systems operate and function and monitor and so on. However, they all share information. Let's take an example. For example, as the vehicle increases its speed, right, and the vehicle is increasing its speed because you're accelerating, so that's the engine computer dealing with the distribution of fuel and so on to facilitate acceleration. Then the transmission needs to shift the gear, so the transmission needs to know RPM information. So the engine computer needs to communicate its acceleration or throttle position to the transmission. And when the transmission get that information needs to be transmitted to your supplementary restraint system. So your airbags and so know what speed the vehicle is going at, and what that needs to be. Instrument cluster needs to show that information, so it needs that information. The braking system, ABS brakes, need to know and also feeds that information to the transmission. What about your entertainment system? Entertainment system, as the vehicle increases, there's road noises as the wheel is in contact with the road, so it naturally raises the audio or the volume of your radio system automatically. As you accelerate and as you decelerate, it lowers the volume naturally or automatically. So this is intercommunication. It's a network and it's being intercommunicated. If they were to wire this using wires, the amount of wires they'll have to use on these X amount of computers and systems, that's going to be crazy. That's too much wiring. That's going to be weight. It's going to be cost. Is going to go up. The weight is going to go up. The wiring and complexity, which means it's going to be prone to problems and errors. So, however, they needed some type of communication system, and then they found it. They found one of the main communication systems that automobiles use is what they call CAN, or Controller Access Network. So, in our upcoming course, we're going to be talking about CAN bus, we're going to be talking about LIN bus, we're going to be talking about FlexRay and MOST. These are some of the communication networks that is used. There's more that is used in vehicles, and it's necessary for proper diagnostics and proper problem solving techniques. You'll have to understand how these systems work, thereby understanding the architectural function of your automobile or type of system. So we're going to be looking at that. So check us out. It's free. This is the introduction to it. So if it is you're interested and you're a technician or you're thinking about getting into the technical field, now is the time.